Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and here's a quick tip that I share when I do my social media for business clinics, and that is turning your social media into a daily e-blast. And particularly, I use my Facebook. All right, so give me just a second. Let's get it started. I use a couple things. One, my email client, which is MailChimp. And I love MailChimp because they have an automated feature. I can always set it and forget it. But I needed an RSS feed link from my social media in order to do that. So I chose RSS.app. RSS.app gave me a couple of choices. I could use Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook, or my website. Depends on where you are creating the most content. Once you go through that, you're going to create your RSS feed. It's very simple. Now, my old schoolers, y'all like, what? Yes, it's this simple now. All you have to do is drop in the link from your platform. Once you drop in the link from your favorite platform, I chose Facebook. It then it literally did all the work, created the RSS feed. I got a chance to preview it, see how my content is going to look in email. And then, again, my goal for this is to make sure that my call to action came through in each of the posts, right? And one of the reasons I want to do it because people say, man, I wish I had known about this stuff sooner. That's why you need to subscribe to my daily email newsletter. All right, so RSS Feed has a number of subscriptions. They've got a free version, but you're a pro, so like me, you want to upgrade. I upgraded so that I can get more content into the RSS Feed, and the links would be active. So once I tried it out on a number of my platforms. The one I liked the best was the Facebook. I then took that link over to my MailChimp, and I started creating an email. I created an email. I chose the design or the template I wanted to use. I went through the wizard or the widget, as some people love to call it, the wizard, where they basically just ask you, what are you trying to do? And I'm like, I'm trying to create an automated email. So again, I went through all of the steps, and I got to the point where it then asked me what that RSS feed link was. And all I had to do was put in that RSS feed link after I've chosen all the other options. Then I just basically decided on, I wanted this to be a daily, but you can choose if you want to go once a week, once a day. However, it depends on what people have opted into by being on your list. Okay. So, and the next thing I had to do was to continue the options, going through the wizard. And the last thing I did was to run a test email, and I was more than happy with it. All I had to then do was kind of change up my behaviors on how I post content, what I include in that content, so that I make sure that once it arrives in the email, it is what I want to represent me as well as DryerBuzz. That's it, y'all. That's how you turn your Facebook, your Twitter, your social media into a daily e-blast. You want me to help walk you through this process? You want me to do it for you? You got to go and check out social media for business clinics. AskDryerBuzz.com.